What's up guys, Matt here. Thanks for coming to my page. I'm glad you decided to come here and take a look. As you can tell, I'm an online entrepreneur. I love living the laptop lifestyle. I'm here at the beach right now recording this video with my family. You can see there, I don't know if you see them in the background, but there they are. My little daughter and my wife in the background swimming. I started this journey about 2 years ago. I spent thousands of dollars, hours, hundreds of hours trying to figure out what's right and what's wrong and what's good and what's bad. I finally figured it out, and I'm here to show you guys for free. All you have to do is put your information in below this video, and we'll start earning passive income together. I'm not going to stop until I get you your first sale, so let's get moving. Let's get you earning some passive income. I'm excited for you guys to join. I'll be with you every step of the way. I know most people out there say that they're gonna be there for you and they just take your money and run. But that's a good thing about this. I'm not expecting a penny from you. I want to be there with you every step of the way until you make your first sale. And if you still need me after that, I'll be there for you. I'm there until you need me. Alright, just fill in your information below, and I'll have everything emailed over to you. Your 3 free ebooks, your funnel, your email swipes, everything. Get this started. Start earning this passive income together. And look, maybe next time you'll be at the beach recording a video like this. Who knows? Obviously, I haven't had the greatest life. I mean, look, I got a big ass hole in my arm from an accident I had. I still got up. I kept moving forward. You guys should too. Don't stop until you succeed. I mean, you gotta never forget that tomorrow is a new day. All right, so fill in that information and let's get you earning that passive income just like I did. I hope to talk to you guys soon.